Hello, welcome to our TikTok tutorial. Today we'll show you how to set screen time limits and take screen breaks, and why it's crucial to maintain a healthy balance in our digital lives. If you are new here, I'd like you to take a moment to subscribe, as it goes a long way in supporting our community. Step 1. Open your TikTok app and head to your profile. Step 2. Access settings by tapping the three dots on the top right corner. Step 3. Click on settings and privacy. Step 4. Scroll up to find and open screen time. Step 5. Enable the screen time settings and customize your daily limits. Setting screen time limits helps you to be more mindful of your app usage, preventing excessive time spent on TikTok. TikTok is captivating and it's very easy to get lost in a vast sea of videos. So taking control of your TikTok usage empowers you to make conscious choices about how you spend your time. Technology should enhance our lives, and we have to be mindful how it controls our time. So today, embrace the power of mindful app usage, take breaks, and cherish the meaningful moments in both the physical and digital world. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay mindful and see you next time.